So for most of my life, I didn't really do any drugs, but in my freshman year of high school, I met my friend Tony, and he started talking about how he did DXM and told me a lot about it, told me that it was a drug in cough syrup and that it was a dissociative, and it all sounded really interesting to me. And eventually he asked me if I wanted to try it with him, and I was kind of hesitant, but I said, sure, I'll try it with you. And we planned out a sleepover at his house with him and his friend Isaac. And after a few months of planning everything and getting his parents to let me go over there, it was the day of the sleepover, and I had woken up really late, and so I just packed right away and went straight to his house without eating anything, which fucked me up later, but I'll get to that. So I get there and I hang out with them for a bit, and then we walk down to the nearby store to buy it. We bought one bottle of cough gels, and Isaac had already brought a bottle of syrup that he was going to use, and Tony wasn't going to take anything. So we got back to his house and we waited until night, and then me and Isaac started to dose. I took 180 mgs in gels, which was like a high first Plat, and I think Isaac took a mid-second Plat dose of syrup. So I lay down after that, and about a half hour later I start to feel really sick. I let everyone else know about this, and Isaac gave me a Benadryl to help with it, and I went back down. And then about another 30 minutes later, I stood up for the first time, and I immediately knew it kicked in. My vision was super blurry and weird, and I felt like how I imagined being drunk would feel, since I hadn't done it at that time. But my nausea had only gotten worse, so I moved from his couch onto his bed, and Isaac was starting to feel it too, and he started moving all around Tony's room and standing on chairs and shit, and I kept yelling at him that he was a show-off and kept asking how he was able to move so well. And after I did that for a while, I walked to his bathroom, which was super hard to do, and then I came back and laid on his bed. I was definitely starting to feel it a lot more, and my vision was really weird, and I had a really weird feeling on my body, and it would have been pretty nice if I wasn't feeling so sick, but I stayed like that for a couple of hours, and I listened to some music and went to the bathroom a couple times, which was still really hard to walk to, but I was still feeling super sick, and it didn't go away. And eventually I started throwing up. I threw up a little bit on Tony's floor, and then I ran to the bathroom to finish puking. It wasn't very bad, since all that I put in my body was just cough syrup and gels, or cough gels and water, but that's also why I got so sick, because I didn't eat anything all day. And I sat next to his blurry ass toilet and wondered if I made a good decision doing this, and then I walked back into his room. He had already cleaned up the puke off the floor, and then he asked me if I was okay. I told him I was, and I sat back down on his bed. Already I was feeling way more sober, and only sort of feeling a mild high, which was starting to fade. And pretty soon after that, I was basically sober and just hanging out with Tony and watching Isaac trip. He took the rest of the gels that I didn't use and brought himself up to a low third Plat. A bit after that, his mom brought some pizza, and I finally had something to eat. Tony was being super hyper and annoying his mom by singing the iDubbbz diss track on Rice Gum, because it just came out back then, and Isaac was just sitting there eating his pizza, not saying anything, or barely eating his pizza. And after that, not much else happened, and we all went to sleep, and I went home the next day. Overall, this trip wasn't very good, but it was still an experience, and moral of the story is, make sure you eat something if you're gonna do DXM, because you'll get way more sick on an empty stomach. Also, I know this isn't the most interesting story ever, but I wanted my first video to be about my first trip, and I have many more stories, and most of them are more interesting than this one, so stay tuned, and Also, one last thing is there will be a lot of resources about DXM in the description if you just want to learn more about it and it interests you. So, yeah, bye.